You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. How to pronounce rave. Yes, you have a diphthong. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Let's break it down. Hear it carefully, listen carefully. Rave. You have a diphthong. A is the sound that the vowel A makes. Rave. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Rave. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.